Guys, this is my second review, and it's the same day that I did the Jones soda right here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm doing something different. I've never tried it, but these are the Takis Explosion cheese and chili pepper tortilla chips. They said that's new. I don't think I've tried those before, but I tried the Fuego, fajitas, and all that stuff. But we're gonna try this. But they look just like this. I'm gonna get two out just in case. Look like that. Looks like a Dorito. It tastes like nacho cheese. Kind of tastes of chili pepper. It's a little spicy, but it's just like nacho cheese you got from I'm thinking the movie theater, or that, you know, that nacho cheese. Chili pepper, you can basically taste a little bit of it, but these are pretty good. Takis Explosions. And there's a couple other different ones right there. That's the fajita and Fuego, whatever. That's the main one, but these are pretty good. If you haven't tried these Takis Explosions, I like them because they taste a little bit more better than Doritos. It's right there, looks like Cheetos. They're good. I like them. Goes good with Jones soda too. Since I did that, do I sponsor these guys? I wish I did, but those are Takis, the new one. We'll get you some. They're everywhere. And this review of the Takis is over with, and I'll see you guys next time.